Most men never realize this. The reason they feel older is not simply the passage of time. It is because their bodies have quietly lost the signals that trigger deep nightly repair. You can take magnesium for months, even years. But if two key vitamins are missing before bed, your body simply cannot fix itself. That is why so many men over 60 wake up tired, soft, and disconnected from the men they used to be. Tonight, I am going to share something different. A simple nightly habit, taking less than a minute, that can reset your energy, restore healthy blood flow, and even rebuild your confidence. No prescription medications, no stimulants, just nature, operating exactly as it was designed to do. Hello, I am Dr. Jennifer. For over 20 years, I have worked with men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s, helping them regain vitality without reliance on pills. Your body is not broken. It is only missing the right signals. When those signals are sent at the correct time, everything changes. Your blood vessels open. Your cells awaken. Your hormones rebalance naturally. Your nights begin to feel alive again. In this video, we will explore the two vitamins that can switch your body back into repair mode. They do more than improve sleep. They rebuild what time quietly eroded: your circulation, your strength, and your drive. Before you reach for another magnesium supplement, stay with me. By the end of this discussion, you will understand exactly how to restore your body's natural rhythm. Starting tonight, let us begin. After 50, nearly every man notices it. Recovery takes longer, mornings feel heavier, muscles lose firmness, energy fades faster than ever before. But here's the truth most men never hear. Your body is not aging too quickly. It is simply being deprived of the nutrients and timing it once relied upon to repair itself every single night. Let us look deeper at what is happening inside. Circulation slows. Blood vessels lose flexibility. Oxygen delivery decreases, and nutrients reach your brain, your heart, and yes, even the regions below the belt, more slowly. Nitric oxide, the natural gas your arteries release to expand and maintain strong blood flow, begins to decline sharply after 50. This is why fatigue, sluggishness, and reduced performance become common. Hormones shift as well. Not only testosterone, but growth hormone, melatonin, and cortisol all start to fall out of balance. Your body ceases to know when to repair, when to rest, and when to perform at its best. And then there are your mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside every cell. After 50, their output drops. Less energy is available for your heart, your brain, and your muscles. When mitochondria slow down, you feel it everywhere. Fatigue is not a sign of weakness. It is your cells signaling that they are underpowered and neglected. Simultaneously, a silent inflammation grows. It is invisible yet potent. It stiffens your arteries, slows your nerves, and delays muscle recovery. This is why so many men say the same thing. I am not ill, but I am not the man I once was. I sleep 8 hours, yet I awaken exhausted. I exercise, yet my body does not respond as it did before. And here is the difficult part. Most men attempt to fix this the wrong way. They reach for random supplements, often magnesium, expecting it to restore everything. Magnesium alone cannot do that. It cannot restore circulation, rebalance hormones, or reactivate the repair genes that have gone silent. The issue is not only what you take, it is how and when your body uses it. Your body has its own timing, a natural rhythm of repair and renewal. If you work against this rhythm, even the most powerful supplements are ineffective. The good news is that this rhythm can be restored. Once you understand the two missing vitamins and the perfect moment to take them, your body begins repairing itself naturally, quietly, and powerfully during sleep. That is what we will explore next. Now, let us discuss magnesium. It is one of the most commonly used supplements for men over 50, and with good reason. It relaxes nerves, aids muscle recovery, and supports better sleep. Yet magnesium is not the main player in your body's repair story. It is the supporting actor, waiting for direction from the true leaders. Magnesium cannot act alone. It is like a mechanic without tools or an orchestra without a conductor. Take it at the wrong time on an empty stomach, or without the vitamins that activate it, and most of it simply passes through your system. Many men tell me, Dr. Jennifer, I have been taking magnesium for months, yet I still feel exhausted. My circulation is poor and I wake up drained. They are correct. The missing elements are not more magnesium, but the nutrients that instruct cells on how to use it. Magnesium participates in over 300 chemical reactions, including nerve signaling, blood pressure regulation, and the production of nitric oxide for circulation. Each reaction depends on an enzyme switch, often triggered by vitamins, specifically D3 and K2. Without them, magnesium waits idly, like materials without a blueprint. Timing is also critical. Magnesium taken early in the day may compete with other nutrients, never reaching the cells that need it most. But taken at night, along with its coactors, the magic begins. Your nervous system calms, blood vessels relax, and your repair genes turn back on. Magnesium is not the problem. It is a valuable player, waiting for the right team to activate its potential. And in that team, 2 vitamins lead the charge. They do more than support magnesium. They guide it to restore your body while you sleep. Now, consider timing. Most people take vitamins randomly, often with breakfast, without thought to their body's natural rhythm. Yet the human body does not operate this way. It follows biological precision, a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that dictates when to rest, move, and repair. Ignoring this rhythm diminishes the effectiveness of any supplement. Here is what most men over 60 do not know. The most powerful repair window is not during daylight hours. It occurs at night. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body enters its deepest restoration phase. Hormones rebalance. Arteries relax. The brain clears out waste. Muscles begin cellular repair. This is when vitamins D3 and K2 shine. Their activity peaks during this window. Taken in the morning, they compete with cortisol, your stress hormone, and are largely wasted. Taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed, they signal the body that it is time to rebuild. D3 begins regulating nitric oxide and hormone balance. K2 directs calcium into bones and away from arteries. Magnesium calms nerves and muscles, allowing deeper sleep. The result is an ideal environment for genuine healing. Your body is focused entirely on one mission: renewal. For men over 50, I recommend taking vitamin D3, 5,000 international units, and K2 in the MK7 form, 90 to 180 micrograms roughly an hour after dinner. Combine them with magnesium glycinate, not oxide or citrate, with a small amount of healthy fat such as olive oil, avocado, or a few nuts. Fat assists in absorbing vitamin D3 fully. Timing matters more than dose. A lower dose at the correct time outperforms a higher dose taken incorrectly. The body does not repair on command. It repairs when the internal clock signals it is safe to rest. Night is sacred for men's health. Testosterone regenerates, nitric oxide production resets, and inflammation cools. Miss this window, and you awaken as tired as before. Support this window properly, and you awaken steady, strong, and renewed. One patient told me, Dr. Jennifer, it is as if someone flipped a switch. Same supplements, different timing, and suddenly I feel 20 years younger. That is the reality of synchronization. Tonight, place your vitamins by your bedside. Make a promise to yourself, a 1-minute ritual that whispers, I am reclaiming my health. Consistent practice leads to subtle yet profound changes. Sleep improves, mornings feel smoother, and a quiet confidence returns. This is not magic. It is biology finally working as it was intended. Now think about what you eat. Food communicates with your body. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and egg yolks boost vitamin D3 levels gently. Vitamin K2 hides in fermented foods such as natto, aged cheese, and sauerkraut. Magnesium appears in spinach, kale, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and even 70% dark chocolate. Foods rich in nitric oxide like beets, pomegranate, watermelon, and citrus enhance circulation during the day. When paired with your nighttime D3, K2, and magnesium, these foods feed both ends of your repair cycle. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and heavy alcohol. They create inflammation, stiffen arteries, and block nutrient absorption. Your mindset is equally critical. The body listens to your thoughts. End your day calmly, reflect on gratitude, take deep breaths, and signal to your body that it is safe to repair. Combine this mindset with your vitamins, and you give your body permission to do what it was designed to do: restore itself. You awaken clearer, stronger, and more confident. Circulation improves, energy returns, focus sharpens. This is the synergy of timing, nutrients, and respect for your natural rhythm. In the next part, we will explore foods that naturally enhance this effect, allowing your body to absorb D3, K2, and magnesium not only from supplements, but from the meals you consume. Health is built step by step, night by night, choice by choice. Finally, the nightly ritual. 2 to 3 hours after dinner, when digestion is calm, take D3 and K2 together, add magnesium glycinate, and a small glass of water. Step away from screens, dim the lights, and slow your mind. Take a moment to acknowledge something positive from your day. Your nervous system relaxes, repair hormones rise, blood flow strengthens, and cells begin restoring silently. D3 balances hormones, K2 directs calcium safely, magnesium calms the body and enhances deep sleep. By morning, you awaken renewed, confident, and alive. Remember, your body is not broken. It is waiting for the right timing and support to heal itself naturally. Place your vitamins by your bedside tonight. Make a promise to yourself, a simple ritual that signals, "I am taking back my health." Consistency brings back sleep, energy, circulation, and a quiet strength. This is nature working as it always has. Now I would like to hear from you. What is your current nighttime routine? Do you already take D3 or magnesium? Have you noticed any difference? Share your experience in the comments. Your story may help another man reclaim energy, confidence, and balance. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Man Health 360, and share it with a friend who needs this message. One simple insight can transform the trajectory of someone's health. Take care of your body, nourish it, rest deeply, and allow nature to restore you from the inside out. I am Dr. Jennifer, reminding every man over 60 that it is never too late to feel strong again. Good night, and I will see you in the next video.